Welcome back to Geography with Jason, and today we're going to be naming the countries of Asia. So, can I name all of these 49 countries? I'm a little bit confident, but not too much at the same time. I know in this area I'm going to be missing quite a bit. But if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. So, let's start with Russia, Mongolia, China, Japan, South Korea, North Korea. So, this is with my limited geography knowledge. Brunei. I don't even know where that was located. I thought it was here. Vietnam. Okay. Indonesia is a lot of that. Papua New Guinea? Or maybe that's Oceania. Taiwan. Myanmar. Burma? Is that... Or is that what Myanmar used to be called? I'm not sure. India. Nepal is there. My geography for Asia is actually decent. Thailand, of course. Cambodia, which is there. This one I'm not too sure of. Malaysia, I've been there, so that's why I can recognize that one. Oh, Singapore. Now we go to here. We're doing okay, better than I thought. What are these islands? It's not Indonesia. Wait, Timor, Leste. And we have Oman and Yemen, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, UAE, which is there. And this is Iran? Yes. This is Iraq. This is Bahrain? No, wait. How do you spell that? Oh, I don't remember. But anyways, we have Uzbekistan, which I'm not sure where it is. Kazakhstan. Turkmenistan, which I think... Oh, it's there. Okay. Wow, I'm doing okay. Georgia, which is there. Oh, Jordan. That's right. Next to Africa... Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan. I feel like there's a stan I'm missing, but I'm not sure which one it is. Oh, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan. Wow. Bhutan, Bangladesh, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Philippines. That's right, Laos, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Palestine. Bahrain, that's how you spell it. Kuwait. Oh, I knew that. Azerbaijan to Armenia. I think I can get most of these now, but we'll see what happens. Let's start over here. Armenia. Georgia is above that. Kyrgyzstan. Oh, I can't believe I spelled that right. Kazakhstan. Okay. Turkmenistan. Uzbekistan. Pakistan. Afghanistan. And then next to that's Iran. Iraq. Kuwait is right below that, right? Yep. And then we have Qatar, is that small nation. Saudi Arabia. UAE. Oman. Wait, is the one to the right? Yeah, Yemen. Turkey we have. Jordan, did I name that yet? Jordan. Oh, it's right there. We have I did that. India. Laos. There it is. Vietnam. Thailand. Cambodia. Philippines. No? Does it one L? Philippines. Okay, Timor Leste, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Myanmar, China, of course, Mongolia, Russia, Japan, South Korea, North Korea. You know, it doesn't look like I'm missing that much, but it says I am. What is this one here? And these two? Wow, I didn't do that much better. Bhutan and Bangladesh, Taiwan, of course. It's just so small I didn't see it. Syria, Lebanon, Israel, and Palestine. Okay. So I gotta remember those. Maldives and Sri Lanka, I know. Brunei, I forgot that one this time. And I forgot, oh, Tajikistan, I thought I did that. But Lebanon, Israel, Palestine. Okay, Lebanon, Israel. I've been there too. Palestine. Armenia, Georgia. What's here? You know what? I'm going to give up and just see what it is. Syria and Jordan are there. All right, let me try this again. Lebanon, Israel, Palestine, Syria. What's below it? Jordan. There we go. Arabia. Turkey, Iraq is there, and then Iran next to it. Then we have Kuwait is right below there, and then further is Qatar. UAE is right there, yes. Oman, and then Yemen to fill in the... I think I got all this Middle East here. I think this is, well, not really sure what's considered the Middle East. I think Afghanistan is in there too, maybe Pakistan. Oh, we have Bhutan, which I didn't get before. India, Laos. Nepal is what I meant to say. Brunei. Yes, I got it this time. What is this one, though? I think I might have gotten it before. Turkmenistan, Tajikistan. Oh boy, Tajikistan? Yes. Kyrgyzstan? Or Kyrgyzstan? Oh, how did I get it the first time? KY Kyrgy 2 Y's is Stan. What was it? Oh, Bangladesh is here in Myanmar. Okay. All right, so this time I feel like I'm gonna get it. Let's start with Saudi Arabia this time. We have Oman, Yemen, Kuwait, Bahrain, Jordan's over there, Israel, Palestine, Syria, Turkey, Georgia, Armenia, Bangladesh, UAE, Qatar, Iran, Iraq, and then we have Vietnam, Myanmar, Bangladesh, I got that, India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Russia, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan. Yes, man, that one's always tough to spell. Tajikistan, and then I forgot what this one is. Indonesia, Thailand, Laos, Nepal. I got that one. Brunei, Cambodia, China, Japan, Indonesia. Oh, my mistake. Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, North Korea, South Korea, Maldives, Taiwan, Sri Lanka. Oh, we're doing so good. Come on. Bhutan, Timor-Leste. I always get that one. Uzbekistan, Azerbaijan, and Lebanon. Bhutan, Uzbekistan, Azerbaijan. Was the one Timor-Leste and Lebanon? Those are the ones I missed last time. So that means, I should at least be able to get it, right? South Korea, Arabia, Yemen, Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, UAE, Palestine, Israel, Iraq, Iran, Syria. Ooh, what is this one again? Jordan. Yes. Oh, that was close. Uzbekistan. Oh, I said that. Good. Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, No, wait. Kyrgyzstan. Yes. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Laos, China, Mongolia, India, Nepal, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Is this a Stan? Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan? Yes, oh good. This one is Bangladesh. Good. Vietnam, Taiwan, Maldives, Sri Lanka, and Japan, Philippines. Oh, we're so close. Singapore, did I say that? Nope. Indonesia, Malaysia. What do you mean there's only 2 left? There's none left. 2 more left I got. Did I get Singapore? Yeah, you just can't see. Oh, Brunei. I can't find even... I guess I can zoom in. Let's see what I missed here. I'm sure I got Palestine. Wow, I'm at a loss. All right. Bahrain. It's so small. How am I supposed to get that? Come on, guys. Azerbaijan, Georgia, and then Armenia, and then Turkey. Okay, and below that Syria, right? Yeah, and then Lebanon. Palestine is the small one. Israel. And then next to that is Jordan. And then to that is Iraq. Yes, and then Iran. And below that is Kuwait. And then below that's Bahrain. And then Qatar. And then UAE. Oman. Yemen. Saudi Arabia. Wow, I'm actually getting these in order too. Let's go back up to Russia. Kazakhstan. Turkmenistan is in there somewhere. Yeah. Tajikistan. There's one more of these stands I'm not thinking. Oh, Uzbekistan. And then Kyrgyzstan. I finally got that spelling down. Cool. And then Pakistan is there. Oh, it's right there. And then Afghanistan. I get those two mixed up. China, Mongolia, India, Nepal is there. Bhutan, Bangladesh. Wait, Bangladesh. There we go. Sri Lanka's there, and then Maldives. And then we have this one, which is Thailand? No. Wait, oh, Myanmar. That's right. And then Laos and Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia. It's a big piece right there. Timor-Leste. What's that little small one that I always forget? Bahrain? No. There's another one. Shoot, and it's over here, and I can't think of it. Philippines, Japan, North Korea, South Korea, Taiwan, and... Oh my gosh, I know where it's located. I can't think of the name right now. It's probably this thing right here. Starts with a B, I'm pretty sure. Bhutan, Bahrain, no. Brunei. Yes! All right, well, that's it for today's video. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more geography quizzes, and you can follow along with me.